Good morning, friends out there. So this is Orlando Samuel, your teacher from Rslcu. Let's continue from where we ended on our lesson. We had ended when we have reached this part of editing the website. So we have created everything. We did that work of creating user account C, the password C, we reach the dashboard, you created the we removed the demo content C, we customized, and now we are here. We want to learn how to edit this page. I want to remind you, teachers out there, that every term holiday, we always conduct lessons here for the students and for the teachers. So you have your special program for maybe for evening, but we don't mix you with the students as others think. But we request that if you have time, you come and approach us. Then we at least we take a lesson with you. That you improve on your you improve on your skills. Then I would request that you direct students here to reduce on your burden of teaching. So at least if they come here and they acquire the skills, by the time they come back to you as a teacher, so they will be even helping your the fellow friends that are not equipped with those ICT knowledge. So it will be good for you and for them that you not struggle to teach them a lot, and even you can come and join us. Don't fear the students, they have their programs, and you also have as teachers or as mature people also, they have their programs separately. Sorry for that time, but thank you for listening to that. So just I wanted to pass that information to you, the teachers, and remember that if you get time in a holiday, you can come and then time. So I want to begin. I just have been busy here. So you just want to begin how to edit this page, how to edit the pages, how to use the blocks, the Gutenberg editor. So I have my site. I left when we have reached here. I have my pages: home, about us, contact us, even the heading is there. Even if I click about us, I will go there to about us, but still I have this is the shared banner. I have my logo, I have my site title, I have the page links to all the pages. So now I'm just going to begin editing from my home page. So if I just reach here, I just click edit. I click edit. So if I click edit, I see, don't make others may fear that my heading has disappeared. If I'm editing, I'm not see that heading there on top. So what I do, just have this, you can see this plus here. They're saying type stroke to choose a block. So I just click that plus. Which block do I want? I have a lot of blocks here. If I say browse all, you see, I have a lot. I want to add what? I want to add image, gallery, audio, files, like everything is here. So this is what they call the Gutenberg editor. I have contact form 7. If I didn't install this plugin here, I don't see the contact form 7 there. For the reason that I installed it there, I can see now this, it is displaying this side in the Gutenberg editor. So read the mode is here. You can add everything is here. So, social media links, they are here, YouTube and what, they are all in this Gutenberg editor. So you can explore more on WordPress. Just put how to use, just put Gutenberg editor. You will see many tutorials of how to use that Gutenberg editor. So I'm just going to direct you, like, let's follow the question. Then I will we shall just add in a few, just because of time. We're just going to be adding in a few things that are not in the question. so that just to catch up with the time. So just want to just first go through this. They're saying using any suitable web authoring software, design a website for nursery primary school and include the following. So you're saying page 1. It's my role to know what page is that. I can't just write in page 1 now. So I named my page 1 as home. So they are saying now, let's say I'm calling it home. On the home page, they want school name, that's the title. Then they say Makwi with the statement Nassau is our home. Motto, never give up. Physical address, Nassau sub-county, Kaliro district. So of course they have given me even the information to put there. I just want to. So this is now even better than publisher. Just to write this like I'm in Word. I'm in just typing. So what I do, I want the heading. I just put you already you are aware that my always the first page you have the welcome remarks. So I can put in the heading. I say welcome. This is it. Sorry. Welcome to Nansololo Primary School. This is not in Kaliro. This is Kaliro. Like that. So if I click Enter, I can just get this paragraph block. If I don't want to use that paragraph block, how do I remove it? I just come and click. I can just click this plus. I replace it with what I want. For this the site, they want a Makwi. They want okay. Let me first put a Makwi. I can just quickly put a paragraph like Nassau is our. But you can just add HTML editor. So just this Nassau is our. They say Nassau is our home. So I can just after writing this, just click this. There's 3 dots here, options. I click, I say edit as HTML. Now here you apply the knowledge of Notepad. If you went through that topic there, it is on YouTube. How to use tags, how to use like that in HTML. So I'm just going to put outside, say this is Makwi, even this side Makwi is double E, not W, double E, even this side Makwi. So this is the closing bracket Makwi. So if I finish, it will tell me attempt to recover this block. Like I can't if I just attempt to recover, it means it will turn back. So what I do, I just leave it there like that. If not, you can just add this HTML. Watch, there is this side HTML. If you are typing, sorry, here this side advanced, there is HTML anchor there. But if you use this, it is simpler to use even this. So I'm just going to add. They say that page should include what Nassau Primary School. I said welcome Nassau Primary School. The Makwi is there. Never give up. That is the motto. So I'm going to type. I'm going to put that as a heading. My heading. Just I want to choose. It was going to be heading. Which heading? Remember, those who attended the teachers workshop, I told you that I explained why we should use only 6 headings in the site, in the page, web page. So we have even there here just to indicate it up to heading 6, no heading 7 there. So just want to use here heading 1, say motto, and this I want it, I can align it center. Then after writing motto, I just click outside. Then I see this plus sign is outside here. I see I want to add a paragraph. Motto is motto was what? Their motto was never give up. So that is never. Okay, I can write in calculators. Never give up. Still, this even I can align it center. The way you feel like I can change the font size of this. I can increase like that. I can put in 20. So that's the motto. Now we have even completing the first page. You see, yes, they wanted address, physical address, and that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add what they call a featured image. Just I told you, you're just going to add in a few things as you move in the question. So just this, I want to add what they say, the physical location. So I click outside this side. I see the class add a block. I want a block of what? Address. Let me just put this is heading. Okay, let me call it heading 3. Not as heading 3 in number, but heading 3 in size. So this is location. I say Rslcu primary school is located beside Rslcu sub-county Kairo district where but okay, let me just write in Nawai Koke village Kairo district. Is it Rslcu sub-county? So I'm just adding some information. Rslcu sub-county in Kairo district. So just that, added my location, and now if I update, I can see my page. I see the good of this WordPress that if I just type my information, that my page will just end where my information ends. So if not stress like publisher, you scroll up and down wherever you don't have the information there. So just this is my what. I can even add a featured image. The featured image is the image that appears on the top of what of this page. First photo as you see. So I can just put it from here, turn it back to edit. Let me just put what a featured image this side. So you have this part here. I missed out to do this setting here for the page and for the blog. If you just want to sort things with blog, just you see I can change the text color, the background color for this. If I just want to, I can even change this background color. I say background, I can change that background. I can change the text color. So the way you just feel like changing your words, you can change them. So now this side I want a featured image. Is it there? Just click. I want on the page. I want to add a featured image. So I want to add a featured image this side. It is here. I say set featured image. I come and say upload files. Select files. Let me add which one. Let me just put this. Okay. Let me just put this to show the compound of our school, as well a primary school. Set featured image. So this image I will not see it displaying this side, but I will see this appearing this side on the sides. But if I update, then I go to view page, I will see that picture there. The official image now it is there. So now that is our school. Welcome to National Primary School, Kalilo. That is the motto. The location is that it is there, even the Makui. So now let's say that we are done with our first page, if I'm not mistaken. We are done with location and what we have done with page marks now. So I want to go for the second page, about us. On about us page, they want us to use what? They want us to use. They want us to what? To contain a data entry form to capture the following details from people interested in joining the school. Now, there we are. I want to show you, but this could be a separate video to show you how to customize a form, but let's just cover it this time, then we see the what next. So I'm just going to first show you how I can put, how I can do what, how I can just put a form, the designed form that I find there already. So I just here, then I edit, I click edit, that page I'm on about us. So I just want to add, what should I first deal with? Just add a simple image. On this image, actually I'm just doing this for, like, just want to add information there. So that I'm going to be adding things that are not on the paper. So now I have this picture here, and I can make this picture static, like fixed. Then if I scroll down, like I just find my work just scrolling through, scrolling on through this over this image here. I can just click this A. I say add text over the image. Then I come. Still, I can write welcome to our school. I want that to be my first display image in this page. I'll make a school. I can just leave like that. So I can make this as fixed. If I scroll now, I can just move with it, but if I make it fixed background, you see now she's just positioned in one place, but you must leave it like this. So they want us to do what? They want us to add a form. Now let's go back to the question. They want us to add a form. On that form, they want us to put people's name, sex, age, class, then the submit button. So now I'm going to first show you how to put a form the way I find it. Just come and click. Let me just put it outside here. Outside here, I want to add. I just come and click. I can search contact. Remember, it was somewhere. It is here. If I just put like that, already I have my contact form 7. It is designed already. If I do page, I will find the page with that form. You see, your name, your email, your subject, your message. Even the box is too wide. Your message, then the submit button is here. But I want to change this. I want to change this form so that I see what they say. Like they want name, just name, class, sex, and what we shall see. So I come back to edit. So now this time I want to customize. What I do, I don't just put contact form 7. No, because I want it to look different. I will click on those RSA remove contact form 7, so it will be away. What I do, I just need to add a shortcode. So in that shortcode, it's where I'm going to add to bring what to copy my shortcode from the contact form. This is short. No. I want shortcode. shortcode, it is here. So ask me write your shortcode here. So now I'm going to pick my shortcode from my contact form, which I'm going to customize the new one. So there I have to meet my dashboard. I go to the dashboard, this side. I go to the dashboard, I just left it this side here. I can just go for, I want not customizing, I want dashboard. So the dashboard here, I want this part here, contact. It wasn't there before me installing contact form 7, but now after installing I can see contact. So I click contact. Now I have the shortcode, this shortcode here, but I want to change it. I want to edit this shortcode. Now if I copy this, well, I will have this appearing like the one I've deleted their side. So what I do, I want to edit this, edit. So I'm going to remove some features, like they didn't ask me about your message. I'm going to remove that. About subject, I'm going to remove that. Your email, I'm going to remove that. What did I leave the email? Okay, just first put, but I want to remove that email just for our case. The side your name, I can change this account. Did I say it is it S there? Name. So that word will display. This one will be the displaying word there. So after that, I want to add another field there. I have the submit button here. If I remove it, I can just get it from here, the submit button. So now this is I'm customizing my form. What I do, I open label. The way it is there. So now I write the displaying word, like the word I want to display that side. Like I want to have student, then I want to write sex. Then that section I'm going to write. Now here I'm going to use the checkbox. That sex is going to be the displaying word the other side, but I've not yet closed the label, but you can close it at the last if you can't forget. Label. So but I'm still here. After writing sex, the displaying word there, so I'm going to click on, I'm going to use the checkboxes. So I have two options, either male and female. I think no more what checkbox. So I'm going to write female, so that someone just take the right word female and oh, this is wrong. This is female and this is male, like that. So put a label first, then no, I just want that. If I take this required field, it means no one can skip that step without answering it. So no one can submit without answering that or taking that part. So I can take. So then I say insert tag. You see my tag just generating itself just from here to here. I had added here sex, then I went for checkbox. So now you see my code where it is there. So now I want to add on the side sex, then age. I'm going to use the calendar for the age. Label. This is label. Label. Like that. So I'm going to which should I use? Age. Should I use this one? So I'm going just to use date. I have this. This is the month, day, then year. I just want to add that. I can even put a placeholder there. the word you can find there. I can put a word, write your date of birth, sorry, date of birth, yeah. So just that I can say use this text as my placeholder. You will find that text there, but it will be find that if you put there the cursor and write, they will disappear. So I say insert tag. Now I have written the sex and age now. The sex and age. Then I want to add on what? I want to add on. So you're customizing a form. This could be another video to customize this. But so near this side here, for the class, I'm going to use a drop down menu. Let me just copy this side. Let me just copy label. Copy label. I paste still. So I'm going to the side class. Now I'm going to just click drop down menu. On the drop down menu, I'm just going to write, like you have P1, you have P2, you have P3, you have P4, you have P5, P6, finally P7. So now this is the drop down menu. If I tick allow multiple selection, now this someone can select more than one class, but if I don't tick this, just a single selection is made by the student. So what I do, insert a blank item as the first option. I just leave that. So now I have my menus right there, the drop down menu. Now what next? The remaining one, just the submit button, already it is there. If you don't have it, just come and click this side. So what I'll do, I'm going to just save this. Save. If I save, now I have a new what? I will have a new shortcode. I copy. After copying that, I will come back this side where I wrote my shortcode. It's telling me write your shortcode here. Just paste. Now here is my shortcode. Let me just update and review the page. We've taken long there because we wanted to learn how to customize the form. So I have my where I can write the name. I have my sex. I can tick anywhere. Then age, I can click this one. Then I click anywhere. 15th August, that year, whether that is my birthday, 15th August, and a certain year. So class, I can just pick one. Before I write email, then I submit. That is the iForm already customized. What next on this page? That page is also done. So we have taken long, but we could just take a few minutes in that page there. So now we want to discuss now contact us page. They want to say a table with a list of 3 curricular activities. A table with a list of 3 curricular and 3 co-curricular activities. Just that. Suggesting a table, and here also it's like sometime in how to deal with tables. So I'm just going to add what? Okay, anyway, let me first this page. I'm going to show you how to I'm adding in things that are not there. I want to add in gallery. Gallery. If you pick gallery, you can add the number of photos. If you just select a photo, just use they just allow you to use one one photo. Hey, what is this? So like that, I say open. You see my logo, my photos are loading to my gallery. So I have the photos there. I'm going to add on what they required now. They required us to put a table. Just write table is also here in the Gutenberg editor. How many columns do you want? How many rows do you want? The columns I may need 2. Then the rows I may need, like they said 3, so I need like 5, like that. Now I will have the curricular activities. Sorry. How the curricular activities on this side. Curricular activities. Now we list, like you have dating, have football. Hey, is it? Sorry. But just let me just list. On this side you may have what you may have. Okay, let me just write. Then okay, I'm just listing whatever I find. So I will have my table there. Now I may have this table, but either have many columns or I have a number of rows that I may need. How do I deal with this? With that, I want to add column. Just come and click this. Then you say either delete row, the current row that you have, that your cursor is clicking. Then I can delete a column, I can delete a row, I can insert a row after. You see, I can just insert a row. It is here. I can even remove it still. Remove delete row, still it disappears. So that is it for this page here, according to our question. Now I can add some. I told you I'm going to be adding some things that are not on the question. My studying, I just need this. I need the plus, that plus sign, this one. So just click outside the current block. So I want to add social media links, social links. What I do, I just write social. icons, they're here. It is telling me click plus to add. This plus is inside. I click, I want to add what? Facebook. Still I can click plus to add. I want to add what? I want to add YouTube. Still I can click inside to add. I want to add what? Email. Like that. You want to add, you have YouTube, I have it. I have what next? WordPress, if I'm to say. Then the number of this is what. So now I'm setting this. I can just say logo only. I remove that. Then the size I can put huge, I can put large, I can put normal. You see. Then I can add label. Open new tab. If I take this, it means if someone clicks here, I click one of my the site, the social links. That link will open in the new tab here. So I say show labels. Then if I want to show those labels, YouTube what. So after here, just put account C. So let's just put this. This is Mazare Richard. That's the real account. You can even visit that page. And then YouTube. This is youtube.com/Rslcu. Email 9comrade Samuel 4@gmail.com. WordPress. This is the WordPress.org. So I just those accounts. I just wanted to show you how I can put those accounts, those social icons. I have my 3 pages. They are well linked. They are designed already. So this is my contact us page, and this is my about us page. You see, with the form, and this is my home page. This one here. So you see, so just a few information on my site is very clean. So now I'm going to we are going in that part of saving. So wait for the next video. I'll show you how to save this work to static. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. You may comment that maybe this way you didn't meet, like you didn't do, like you were supposed to do this side. I think that we can improve if you at least if you communicate where we should go, where we should improve. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. May God be with you. Bye bye.